All right, today we're going to bring a grooming kit. So if you live in a small enclosed place and you have a dog that sheds a lot of hair, or you want to do your own shaving on your own dog or cat, this is the actual reservoir where all the hair and any dirt that you pick up is going to go through. Now to release it, it's the back button, right? The back button is to release it. There's also a filter that you're gonna have to clean out once in a while. You're gonna see everything. The cable that you need, cable type C to type A, and that's to charge the actual shaver, right? You got a brush hair here, and this one's to take any kind of tangle hair or stuff like that, and you wanna, they're shedding. This is a way to do it. You could use it freely without the actual system, or attach it with the tube system that will suck any hair that you're actually shaving to.
Yeah.
Let me see the hair too after. Yeah, get a bunch of it. Simple way to work the knob to turn it on. Now you got different speeds, all right? All the way F3, all right? Now, one important thing, it has two nozzles entrance, all right? One's to blow out air, the other one's to intake. To blow out air, you could do it as a dryer. You would have to use a heat dryer if you want to dry your hair or your dog, or you want to blow maybe some trash to the sides and pile it up. You can do that too, also an option. But this is very simple. It's just a knob, a turn. The whole setup, Toby wants to get brushed again. He likes the whole setup as it is. It was painless. The noise didn't affect him. And other than that, look at him. He shaved his legs and everything. He has a lot of hair all the time. We have to shave him constantly. He sheds a lot. We got to brush him. Great machine for him. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.